Hi, I'm Jessie. I am happy to welcome you into Vida Niwot's Movement Meditation Embodiment Studio and excited to take you on a tour. Here's just entering the door into the main lobby. There's some community things on the center table, a place to place your shoes. We're a no-shoes facility. And then also a space where you can check in for whatever class you're attending on the tablet if you've pre-registered online. And then I'm going to step us toward the main room we call the bird room, the yoga space, the movement space. There's Qigong, Tai Chi that all occurs in this gorgeous, large, warm, spacious room. You can see I have my yoga mat set out, ready to teach a class. And here at Vida, we have all of the supplies you need to take your class, although you're also very welcome to bring your own. I'm going to exit back into the main lobby, the check-in area. If we enter through this other door, we come into a community space, a table, meeting table, some more community offerings, a kitchen, a restroom, filtered water, and then swinging around there's another hallway that leads to a Bodywork studio and a second restroom with a shower. Coming out of here back into the room with a table, you can see there's another entrance to the larger movement studio here. So here's just another view. And then one last room back here, tucked away, is the mindfulness meditation room here. Very beautiful, very serene. Thanks for joining me. I hope to see you in a class here at Vida soon. Be well.